It's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine.
Ready na! Renz Richard Surangero Ortiz, my Aki RR. I choose you and I pangako to choose you every single day. You've taught me that love isn't just about the kilig moments, but also the asaran, the real talks. Especially the patience, even the little fights that make us stronger and bring us
Pray
closer.
that you stay right here till we're old and gray. In our last few years, I'm on a knee, I just need a yes. A couple kids and a picket fence. Share the memory.
Mayaki, may ako kasama ikaw forever. Mayaki Joy Joy. Still remember the first time I met you, and that was my first day in Asalam. You looked so pale that day. You still caught my eyes and eventually my heart.
Nagkita kami sa ospital sa Bahrain.
Sa Bahrain po kami nagkakilala.
Parang nag-ipon ako ng lakas ng loob nun eh. Sinabi ko na sa kanya, naliligawan ko agad siya. Ganun tayo katinig.
Circle of friends po muna. Then, ayun, pumuporma siya. Medyo ayaw ko po kasi nung una.
Hanggang sinabi ko sa kanya, maliligaw ako. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi. Bawal. Siyempre, makulit tayo eh.
Then, eventually, na-develop.
Hanggang sa napawa ko siya. 3 years ko siyang napawa.
Since I saw your face that night, it took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sun setting. 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you 24/7, 365. I share the last bite of every meal.
Lower than.
Wipe your tears when you're in your feels. And I'll hold you close through a thunderstorm. When it's cold at night, no, I'll keep you warm. 'Cause I'm fine, spending my whole life. Everything you like, is it obvious that all of this is right? 'Cause it's been 3 years and 6
Waki ko!
Salamat sa pagpunta, salamat sa pag-accept.
Unang impression ko sa kanya, maturity, responsibility. Yan, kaya po, siya ang aking pinili.
After nun, sinagot niya ako. And that's it. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa kasalan na agad.
3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine.
Ikaw naman, Renz Richard, bumalbas sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makalis ang dingding si Team Joey na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
I love you 24/7, 365.
This is it, Aki, the day we've been waiting for. A very special day for the both of us, but even more special because it's also your birthday. Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anak ko, today, ang araw mo, ha? Special day sa buong buhay mo. Kaya, be happy at lalo na ako.
Unang-una, siyempre, batiin ko, birthday niya. Happy birthday. I love you. Ha? Ingat-ingat lagi. God bless. Sana maging masaya ka. Always happy. Thank you.
Maraming salamat na dito kayo sa special na araw. And thank you sa mga guidance, love, and everything that you have given me. Thank you pa. Thank you, ma.
God bless.
Hindi nyo na ako intindihan. Ako naiintindi sa inyo.
Tayo natikutin, digdig sa loob ng salamin. Pansamantala.
Una sa lahat, maganda siya. Alam mo, ang dahil nagsasabi sa akin, swerte ako. Kasi totoo. Sinasabi sa akin, ang swerte mo. Uy, ang ganda ng mga kapwa. Kasi totoo. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung kabutiang loob niya. Yung pagiging mahalaga. Siya lagi yung may intindi. Yun yung mga bagay na hindi nakikita ng ibang tao. Pagkasama mo siya, yun yung mga outside. Kasi yung ibang tao, outside lang nakikita eh. Pero yung mga katangian na yun, tulad nun, the best. Swak. Swak sa akin.
Na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Feel ko safe ako sa kanya. Na kapag siya yung kasama ko, siya nagde-decide po para sa amin. Kasi ako po usually go with the flow lang. So, siya po yung nagdadala ng ako.
Ay lilipad.
Ang pag-aasawa naman is partnership eh. Dalawa kayo. So may pagkukulang siya, pupunan ko. Kung may pagkukulang ako, pinupunan niya. So siya yung nagpupuno sa mga pagkukulang. Kadalasan naman sa mga lalaki, hindi naman natin alam kung paano na-express yung love compare sa mga babae, di ba?
Naulo ka! Kiss mo naman ako. Hi!
Dun na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo. Kung hindi magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatok. Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Dun na muna tayo sa
Sigurado ka na ba? Sure na. Andun na yan eh. Plinano naman nila. So, good luck sa panibagong buhay mo. And sana nandun pa rin ang respeto, ano man ang mangyari, para maging matatag ang samahan ninyong mag-asawa. Best wishes, anak.
Best wishes na lang. Basta wag lang mga away ng asawa.
Grabe!
tayo ay lilipad, lahat
You are the most caring, lovable, understanding, patient, and trustworthy person that I ever know. I have met a lot of people, pero you are the only person I met this amazing. These wow papers are actually not enough to tell how amazing you are.
nating mundo.
Aki, una sa lahat, thank you for accepting me. Salamat at nandito tayo dahil sa'yo. Iaalay ko sa'yo lahat to, nandito tayo. Ikaw yung nagpapabuti sa akin, ikaw yung nagpapa-improve sa akin. And I will do everything for you, I'll make you happy. I will support you all the times, I will be with you, and I will be with your side.
Aki, our journey here wasn't easy, but through it all, it was always you. I pangako to love you through good and bad days, through peaceful nights or umihilik ones. Or even if you turn into Shrek, yes, I'll choose you even then. I'll always choose you in all universe.
Deep Joey, uban ba sa iyong lubukang iyong pagparito, magmamaisang tingin si Renz Richard na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
You know I will carry you up, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time.
I'll always be here for you, Aki. I'll be your hype girl, your bestie, your fashion police, and of course, your fangirl. I'm so excited for all the adventures that await us as husband and wife, and I can finally use the husband excuse at work.
Every time. We were California dreaming, our whole life fit in that car.
I pray that we'll continue to grow stronger together as we step into this new journey, game face on, hand in hand. Aki, I believe in you, in the person you are and the person you're becoming. I am and will always be proud of you. Thank you for staying, for holding on, and for loving me through it all.
These days, these nights, changing my mind, set on you. I'm not afraid to say it, to say I do.
Today, to move forward in the next chapter of our life, Aki, I vow to protect you, to provide for you, to serve you, to listen to you, and never giving up on us.
Sa pagkakataong pinagtagpo kayo noon, pinagtitipan kayo ngayon, at pinagtitibay kayo sa mga susunod pang panahon. Magdasal at magpasalamat sa Diyos palagi, sapagkat kasali ninyo ang Diyos.
You know I will carry you up, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know, in this and every life.
I vow also to be with you on your side always. I vow to make you happy and to be more understanding and patient at all times.
Aki, I believe in us, in our future, and in God's beautiful plan for our love story. I love you, Aki RR, always and forever.
I choose us every time.
With your I do, Aki, I already received the best gift ever sa birthday ko in my whole life. Ako ang pinakaswerteng tao sa mundo dahil ako yung pinili mo. To more Terno clothes, Aki. I love you so much.
I love you too.
You know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road.